This is Kyle with Atlantic Outboard, and today we're going to show you how to winterize your Evinrude E-TEC Generation 1. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is remove our intake screens from our lower unit. If you have a bigger E-TEC and you have some high-speed pickups in the front of the bullet, you're going to want to tape those off. And if your boat is in the water, you'll just need to trim down for this. We're going to be using a number 2 Phillips. Next, we're going to get water to our outboard. All right, the first thing we're going to do is put the control box in the neutral, wide open throttle position. We're going to press the neutral button on the side of the control box handle and push it in and move the control box handle to the most forward position. And then we're going to start up our engine. And we're going to watch our tack here. You see we've got red lights lit up. When those lights go away, you're going to want to bring the control box back to true neutral. The lights on the gauge will light up again. And when they disappear, we're going to repeat the process. Put the control box in neutral, wide open throttle position. Your E-TEC will shut itself off and self-winterize mode is complete.